y'all, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be trying out a hot oil treatment for the first time on my locks. The last time that I had a hot oil treatment, it must have been at least 3 to 5 years ago, whenever I had loose natural hair. I don't want this intro to be too long. I'm just doing a hot oil treatment for the first time, and I'm not really teaching y'all anything in this video. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, and we'll see how the results turn out. I did wash my hair last night. I planned on doing this last night actually, but I got too tired. It was really late, and I was just like, you know what, I'm not gonna do it, because then I would have to sleep in the oil overnight, and I really don't like doing that. So I didn't do that. I just decided to wait till the morning, because I already knew that my hair wasn't going to be dry by the morning time, which it is not dry yet. It's still a little bit damp, which is actually kind of perfect. I might actually get it wet again with my water and oil mixture in here, just because I want it to be a little bit more damp whenever I put the oil in my hair and everything. So yeah, that's why my hair looks kind of like shriveled up and cute, because I just washed it last night and I didn't braid it or anything like that. So it's just how it naturally looks. Let's go ahead and get started. The oil that I'm going to be using today is coconut oil. I'll have this oil linked down below. I really love it. I love the way that it smells and everything. But I'm going to be using this today because the oil is fairly light. It is a weightless oil. That's what it says on the packaging, and it's actually true. It is weightless, and that's what I like about it. The reason why I decided to use a weightless oil is because I don't plan on washing this out. I'm just going to leave it in until the next time that I wash my hair. I know that you can do a hot oil treatment like on hair that's not clean yet, and then you can just wash it all out whenever you wash your hair, but I already washed my hair last night, and I just kind of feel like, wouldn't it defeat the purpose to wash out the hot oil treatment? I don't know. So my hair is clean, and I'm going to use a lightweight oil so that it's not really heavy and weighing down on my hair as much. Some other lightweight oils that I can suggest are grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, almond oil even. I would not go with castor oil. Personally, I just wouldn't use that because it's really thick. So almond oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil even, I would go with those oils. So today I'm going to be using coconut oil though. First, I'm going to like spray my hair a little bit more with this water and oil mixture. Okay, so now that my hair is just like a tad bit damper, I'm going to go ahead and add the oil in. And I'm just going to take I'm going to unscrew it because it is like a little spray application, which I love about it, but that's not what we need today. We gonna need a lot more than a little mist. So I'm just going to put a little bit in my hands, rub it in, and apply it to my hair. And I'm going to do a lot. I want to be really heavy-handed with this. all the oil on my hair. I'm pretty sure you cannot even tell, but my head is like really oiled up. Maybe you can possibly tell from my hands and my arms. But I'm actually not gonna sit underneath a heated dryer or a hooded dryer. I'm just gonna use like my own body heat for the hot oil treatment. And I'm gonna do that by taking a plastic bag and wrapping my hair up with it. And I'm going to take a scarf and put that on top. I feel like this would work better if I had actual plastic, those clear plastic shower caps, but I don't have any. So this Kroger bag will just have to do today. So this is what we're gonna use. Y'all, it's a hole in it. That should be fine though. So I have not put a plastic bag on my head like this since I had like box braids. So this is weird seeing myself like this. I was trying to like press it to get most of the air out of it, but it has a hole in it, so that should be fine. Now I'm just going to wrap it up with this. I wish I could find my slap cap. That will work even better, but I have misplaced it. So I'm just gonna wrap my hair up with this large scarf instead. Alright, just trying to compress some of that air out of the bag some more. Alright, let's just wait now. I'm probably going to wait like 30 to 45 minutes, maybe an hour. I don't know. I'm just going to be around the house doing stuff, and when I feel like it's time to take it off, then I'll take it off. I'm gonna try to tuck this piece that's hanging in the scarf. Wait, but it's kind of a look though, except for the little plastic part hanging out. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Alright y'all, it's been at least an hour and a half, probably 2 hours. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because I'm getting a headache because it's just so tight on my head. Whew. That is so much better. Okay. That's what we're looking like now. It looks like I had a helmet on. My hair feels extremely soft, very bouncy. I really love how soft it feels though. It feels so nice. I think that I'm definitely gonna start adding hot oil treatments to my hair care routine. Probably won't do it super often, but I really love the way that my hair feels. It feels so soft. I bet you it would feel like even softer if I used like jojoba oil or something, because my hair and jojoba oil are like this. Like it goes hand in hand. I love jojoba oil for my hair. yeah, I have no complaints. My hair feels really good. It smells divine because this coconut oil that I use smells so good. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried a hot oil treatment on your hair, and if so, what oil did you use? I'm really curious. But I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm out.
If you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
One of the best to ever do it.